Good morning, children. Just now you had observed that how I brought two bowls of water, and then one bowl I had shown you that how I have taken the water and kept it in the freezer and it had turned into ice. Then I brought the ice in front of you, and the ice, due to heating, it started melting and you can see droplets of water coming out. Then I brought another bowl, and in that bowl I had hot water, and in that water you could see the steam coming out, isn't it? You all can do this at home, of course, with the supervision of your elders at home. You can ask your parents or any elder person in your house that to boil some water, and then you keep a lid over it, and you can see how the water droplets will be on the lid. You take a pan of water and boil it and keep a lid over it, and then when you take the lid, you will see droplets of water. Ice, so you can all just do it. You take a bowl of water and put it in the freezer. You must be doing that, and you must be enjoying ice cubes, maybe during the summer season when you put ice cubes in your juice and drink it and enjoy it. Now children, with the help of the two experiments which we have done, or activities we have done, we will fill up a table. That is activity number 2 in your science textbook, where you have to look into the figure 5.3. Here the figures are given, some pictures are given, where this process of interchange of matter changing from solid to liquid, liquid to gases, and gases to again liquid, and liquid can be changing to solid. So this change of matter sequence, you have to fill it with the help of these pictures. Now as you can see, the first one is already done for you in the table. You all can see it in your textbook. They have shown you that there is some ice, and this is your freezer or refrigerator, and they are taking out the ice, and then as I had shown you just now, that ice, when it is taken out, it starts melting, and then you can see a bowl of water has formed, like my ice now. I had shown you that ice now you can see not a piece of ice left, it is all melted into water. You can see this, my cold water, chilled water is here in my bowl. Okay, so this way, and then again this is step A. So step A already we have done. The initial thing is ice. You take out a block of ice from your freezer. You have ice cube boxes where you can make ice, and then ice on heating. If you heat the ice, what happens? Heating means you take the ice out, and naturally it comes to the temperature is more outside, so it starts melting and it becomes water. So the process is melting. Okay, it melts into water, like I had shown you that ice has melted into water. Okay, the second one. Now what is the second picture given here? Second picture is, you have step A. This water which I have here, if I heat it, then what will happen? You can see heat is given, and that heating process I could not show you in this live class, but in the videos, but you can see it at home. And I brought it and showed you that how it becomes steam. So this ice becomes steam. So what is the second process we write? Second process, number B, we write water. Initial state is water. Initial state is what is in the first form. First form is that you have water, and water, when you heat, while you heat, what happens? On heating, if you heat it, on heating, it changes into steam, isn't it? That dhua you see, I showed you just now in the previous one, and this is by boiling. The process is called boiling. So my second step is that I take water, that same water you can do. You take water, that water, and start heating. It changes into steam, and that is the process of boiling. Now the third, step C. You can see here step C, there is a kettle and the water in this kettle is being heated, means fire is there and this heated, and that you can see the steam is coming out, and they have put a lid here to collect the droplets of water. So the third step will be the initial stage. What is the initial stage? That is steam. Steam, what is being done? Steam is being cooled here. Because you have taken the steam, steam is coming out and they have cooled because they are putting it in the lid, and lid means it is cooling. So it is cooling. Steam is being cooled. Cooling process is going on. So the steam on cooling, what has it changed into? Water. Again it has gone back to water. And the process is cooling. So the third stage is that we take the steam, and that steam you collect, means you collect it in a lid or a plate, and then it becomes, due to cooling, it becomes water, and the process is cooling. So initial stage steam, then it is cooling, process is heating or cooling, it is cooling, it changes into water, final state water, and the process is cooling. Now coming to the last, the step B. Now we have collected the water, isn't it? And this water again I am keeping it in the freezer. Again in the freezer, what it will turn? It will turn into ice. So the step B is we take water. That water we have collected. So you can do it. First you take, at home you take a block of ice, you take the ice out of the freezer, keep it for some time, you will see that it has become water, it has heated and it has become water. That water you can boil it, it will become steam. That steam you collect it in the bowl and then it becomes water, and then that water you can keep it in the freezer, it will become ice. So water again initial stage, then what are we doing? Yes, we are again cooling. Or we are freezing it. Instead of cooling, we can say freezing. Means heating or cooling. There you have to write cooling. Yes, we are cooling it, and it becomes ice, and the process is called freezing. Okay, so I take water, and that water I cool it, I keep it in the freezer, it becomes ice, and the process is freezing. So you fill this table in page number 44. I have written here page number 44. Fill it in your activity table. Please do this activity at home. You will enjoy doing it. Thank you, children.